everyone, welcome back to this channel. Today I'm going to show you a super fun trick how to turn any of your photos into a chibi needed doll versions of yourself. And all we need is Google Gemini and its newest feature powered by Nano Banana. Okay, let's jump right in. First, just open Google Gemini in your device and then just sign it with your Google account and once you're inside Gemini, just tap on create image or just go to tools and then choose create images, this one. This is the new Nano Banana feature. It lets you instantly edit photos or generate AI art just by typing a prompt. Next, just upload the photo that you want to transform. You can use a selfie, portrait, or even your pet photo. Just make sure the face is clear so the AI can work its magic. Just tap on plus button and then upload files. And when you're done upload the photo, just type a prompt. Before I already made prompt like this. You can just copy this prompt or you can also make your own prompt or just tweak from this prompt. Just feel free to add details like outfit colors, accessories, or even a background settings. The more specific you are, the better the results. I will just like this and then go back to your Gemini and then paste it and then just generate. And okay, like this. Just look at this. My normal photo is now a little knitted chibi doll. This looks like something you actually buy at a toy store. I can't believe how real the yarn's texture looks. And okay, that's it. In just minutes, you can turn any photo into a cute knitted chibi doll using Gemini Nano Banana tools. Just try it out with your favorite selfies. Okay, if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you!